So this here is our new rectangular bathroom mirror that we're going to be installing. We just received it. Came packaged very well. Plenty of styrofoam and protection there. You can see here, no dings on the glass. There's a protective film on here, which is why it looks very hazy. I'm going to wait to peel that off till after it's installed. It came with instructions, pretty simple steps there, and then essentially the hardware to mount it. So it's 2 wall brackets along with some drywall anchors and screws. And so these brackets essentially allow you to install it either horizontally or vertically, and they just slide back here behind the frame to allow you to install it. You can see we went with the black metal frame around here. It's got a nice look to it. It actually protrudes out away from the mirror about ½ an inch or so, but gives it a nice sleek look. We're gonna go ahead and get this installed. So this here is the bathroom that we're gonna be installing our new mirror in. We've got our vanity sink, we got the vanity lights. There's about 34 inches of distance between the bottom of the lights and the sink. So we're just gonna go ahead and center our mirror between those two. Our vanity is 48 inches, so the mirror should fit nicely kind of right over it. So I've marked the locations on the wall as to where the brackets are gonna go, and I am now gonna screw the drywall anchors in using a 1¼ inch drill bit. After getting the anchors installed, we're going to go ahead and screw the bracket in using the Phillips head screws provided. So I've got the brackets installed. They're level with each other and they're very sturdy. They're not going anywhere. So here's the view of the back side of the mirror. You can see here, this is kind of the edge or the rim. There's a profile here on the back side that allows you to slide the frame onto those brackets on the wall. So that's what we're going to be doing here as we get this installed. And as I was moving this upstairs, actually outside of the box, I noticed that the frame is very sturdy, durable. It doesn't feel flimsy at all, even with kind of this profiled edge here that protrudes out. It all feels very well put together. The finish on it looks nice, feels nice. Kind of looks like maybe a powder coated finish. There's a little bit of dust here that I'll be cleaning off, but I don't notice any imperfections or scratches on the surface here. So we're now going to go ahead and get this installed on the brackets. And even after hanging the mirror, those brackets look to really hold it in place well. I'm able to kind of tug on it just to make sure it's not going to come off the wall and it's not going anywhere. So here is the moment of truth. We've had the plastic protector on the whole time. We're going to go ahead and pull it off here. There you go. Looks like an awesome mirror. Great finish. Feel like it fits our bathroom very well. We've got black fixtures elsewhere in here, so the black finish on the mirror looks very good. So here is the finished look of the mirror installed in the bathroom. It was about a 15-minute install process, very easy. Just had to drill a few holes for the drywall anchors and affix the brackets to those anchors using the screws provided. It looks really great in here. It fits very well over our 48-inch sink. So we did choose to mount it horizontally, as you can see. Otherwise, if you prefer, you can mount it vertically if that fits your space better.